Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze here guys, and we're going to show you how to remove and how to replace side mirror switch. Stay with us and we're going to cover everything from start to finish. What needs to be done now? We need to guys remove with a small screwdriver a few covers, because there are a few hidden screws guys. Okay, like this one right there. Check it out, there is a place where you pry it. Okay, and this cover comes out like that. There is one screw there, as you can see, with Torx. Now right here in the door handle you have one more. Perfect. And there is another screw there guys. So now we need to get Torx 20, Torx 20. Start looking a bit like this one here. And we need to remove this screw guys and the one right there. So if you guys have any specific requests, drop a comment below. We'll try our best to make a video for your problem guys. Please do recommend us if you can. We're guys trying to help as many people as we can. All our videos are for free, as you know. Perfect. Screw right there. So now plastic panel removal too, that one will be listed in the description of the video below. Now let's go ahead actually and remove the cover for the mirror first. Okay, because that cover will be in the way guys. Okay, now he has one clip here and one on the bottom. This one came out, so with the clip removal tool right here guys, we have that one. Again, in the description of the video we'll remove it and install it on the cover, so to have it for later. Now with the same tool, okay, we're going to go ahead and start pulling the door open. Okay, you need to get underneath, grab with your finger, start pulling out. All the clips will pop out, and we'll show you once we remove the panel where all the clips are located guys. After that you need to lift it up. That's why we had to remove okay, you can see the mirror cover, okay, right there. Now guys, we need to go ahead and disconnect. Okay, here you can see we have the lock. Okay, excuse me now. Let me show you now how it goes, because the camera wasn't focused. So let's bring the panel back a little bit. Okay, so this is the door handle cable here. Okay, and that thing, okay, we need to pull up and now pull it out, and then come out of the holder like that. After that guys, okay, we can go ahead and disconnect all the wires for the, okay, here for the window switch and for the mirror switch as well. So those guys are a little bit more complicated to do. So now that blue cable, that red thing, needs to come back. Pull it back like that. Okay, now press down here. Okay, and you'll be able to pull it out. If you can't, okay, let me pull that red thing out more. Okay, like that. Now this cable right here, press down, shake, pull it out. One more there, perfect. Okay, just like that, the door panel came out. Now let us explain you guys where all the clips are located. So starting from the back side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that fourth clip is missing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth clip is missing right here. We need to remove it guys. The fifth one here, 6, 7, 8 there guys, 8. So now let's go ahead and remove the one on the bottom, that yellow one. Okay, you can see it's still on the door. Now we'll have guys in the description of the video below, okay, where you can buy the replacement clips. Really good deal on clips guys, so please check them out. Okay, and install it there. We didn't break any, so we don't have to replace them in our case, but sometimes on other vehicles, especially the one that's exposed to more heat and more years, they will guys crack and break sometimes. Okay, perfect. So that's how we remove the door panel. So once you guys remove your door panel now, okay, the mirror switch guys, okay, let me show you now quick. It's this one right here, right? On the inside it's this switch right here guys. Good thing, on most cars you have to replace the mirror and the other switch at the same time. On this one you don't have to, so that's a great advantage. Now we have 1, 2, 3 clips guys. So this one in our case it's broken from vibrations or something. Now how you guys remove it? You can see that black thing. Okay, you need to pull it up until the white tooth comes out, and you gently pull it out, guys. Okay, just like that. We'll guys get the replacement one. You can see where we buy them from in the description of the video below, and we'll put it together. So we guys get the new switch now, okay, and all we have to do, go ahead guys and replace it now. We go from the inside to the outside. Okay, just push it in until it clicks. There is only one way that it goes in. And putting everything else together, guys, is in reverse order. We took it apart, putting your door panel and all that stuff. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.